This is our review of Fruitables baked dog treats. So when I say our review, first of all, I'm Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. And in this case, this guy's got way more experience than I do. That's Peyton right there. That's my best friend. And what we like about Fruitables, we've been using Fruitables for years now. These are our favorite go-to dog treats. The reason we like Fruitables, straight up, free of wheat, corn, soy, and artificial flavors. You guys know the dog food and dog treat industry is notorious for putting junk in their products. And we're a healthy family, and we like to treat this guy just as healthy as we treat ourselves. So let's have him just try a couple of these different treats and see how he likes it. Come here. What do you say? What do you say? You ready? Yummy. Good boy, bub. All right. So he eats these kind of slow, but I just want to let you guys know that he actually likes all of them. So this is sweet potato and pecan flavor. Yummy, yummy. We've got pumpkin and blueberry. Can you get up? Hey, Peyton, up. What do you say? What do you say? What? What do you say? Good boy. We've got one more. We've got pumpkin and cranberry. He's enjoying this, dude. He's getting some free treats today. Can you shake? Can you shake? Come on, I got to make you earn it. Shake. Come on, shake. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. There you go. There you go. All right, so there's all four of our treats. So I want to tell you that I highly recommend that you just get all of these, because then he has some variety. And you guys can do tricks and stuff. You can break these up if you want, but it gives him a lot of, your dog, your best friend, a lot of different options. You don't have to just keep giving him the same thing over and over again. Highly recommend. Once you get these are going to be your go-to treats, I'm telling you.